I had completed more than 1,000 subscribers on this channel in just 10 days, and I started getting good views on my starting shots. Not only that, my first video on this channel has more than 30,000 views. And this is because I made this channel in a perfect way. You guys make a YouTube channel, but whenever you upload videos, you don't get views on them. And this happens because you guys don't know how to make a perfect channel, which also affects your growth. In this video, I will not only teach you how to make a perfect channel, but I will also clear the myths that you guys have heard so far. Like, when should we upload videos after creating the channel? Should we warm up the channel or not? Should we put a tag and a hashtag while uploading the shots or not? And what is the importance of these? And the most important thing is, what type of shots should we upload that goes viral in a very short time, and our channel grows as fast as possible. And at the end of the video, I have put a giveaway for 2 channels, so don't miss it. But first, let's make a channel. To do this, we need a new email. If you already have an email, you don't need to create a new email. But there is one important step that you should definitely see. And now we will create a new email for ourselves. Click on the Create Account. After that, you will get 2 technical options: personal use and business. You have to click on personal use here. After this, you have to put the date of birth here. And a lot of people make a mistake here. They keep their date of birth below 18 plus. But you are not doing this mistake. You have to keep your age above 18, even if your age is 12, 13, or 15 years. And now we will make a new YouTube channel from this email. The name of your channel should be very easy and simple, which the viewer can remember by reading it once. I have seen a lot of people who keep the name of their channel very difficult, and the most important thing is not to keep any number in the name of your channel. For a unique name, we will use ChatGPT and simply paste this prompt. After that, ChatGPT will give us unique names. You can select any simple unique name from this, whichever you like. But after selecting the channel, you just have to go to YouTube, and you have to search for that channel. If such channels already exist on YouTube, then you will have to select a new name. If you want, you can combine 2 names. You can select a unique name for your channel, like I did. After selecting the name of the channel, now we will make a logo and banner for our channel from ChatGPT. For that, we have to paste this prompt, and ChatGPT will give us a detailed prompt, which we will paste in Ideogram or Leonardo AI, and we will get to see some such logos. If you want, you can make your own customized banner or logo, but you can also do this. After that, now we will fully customize our channel and make it perfect. For this, you have to go to Chrome, and the email from which you have to create your channel, you have to select that email. After this, you have to click on YouTube and click on Settings, and you will get some such options in front of you. Now we will simply click on Create Channel, and here, whatever name you have selected for your channel, put it here. And below, you will also get the handle related to your channel. After this, you simply have to click on Create Channel, and your channel is ready. But you still can't upload videos on this channel, because now we have to turn on a lot of important settings. I have seen a lot of people who come to this point and start uploading videos on their channel, and they don't get views, which is the biggest mistake. And you don't have to make this mistake. You have to click on your logo on the right side and click on Settings. After that, you will get such an interface in front of you. You have to click on Channel Status and Feature. Make sure that your same channel should be open in YT Studio. Otherwise, such an interface will not be able to come in front of you. Now you will get such an interface in front of you, which you have to fill very carefully. Here you will get to see a lot of settings, which we will fill one by one. So first of all, let's start with the journal. You don't have to touch the currency at all. In this, you will see the US dollar in the currency. It doesn't work much if your YouTube channel is monetized. After that, the money you will get. You have to see it in the US dollar in YT Studio or in rupees. That's all it shows. Next step is channel. You have to fill these things very carefully. First of all, you have to select your country. Which country do you belong to? Like, I belong to India, so I will select India. After that comes keywords. This is a very important part. Whenever we create a new channel on YouTube, so YouTube doesn't know as much about us, what are we here to do? Channel tag helps YouTube. What type of audience do we want to target? For example, if our new channel is based on motivation, lifestyle, or wisdom, but we haven't uploaded any video, so YouTube will struggle a lot to get our videos to the right audience. But if we put the right keywords in our channel, so our video will help YouTube to reach the right audience. For this, you have to put your niche-related keywords in this keyword section of your channel. For this, you can take the help of YouTube. Whichever niche your channel is based on, you simply have to type that niche there. For example, motivation. And below this, all these searching keywords that we are getting to see, you simply have to put them in your keyword section, because all these are tags, trending, and they are being searched a lot. And here you have to click on number, because your videos are not made for children. After this, you have to click on Feature Eligibility, and here you will get to see 3 options. The first one will already be enabled, but you have to enable the other 2 yourself. And here you will also get to see some features. Like in the second one, you can upload the video for 15 minutes, you can put a thumbnail, and you can even do a live stream. For this, you just have to verify your phone number. For this, you have to click on Verify Phone Number, and you will get such an interface in front of you. Your country must have already been selected. Here you can also select your country, and you have to paste your mobile number here, and you have to click on Next. After that, you will get a verification code, which you have to put here, and your phone number will also be verified. After this, you have to select video verification. After this, you will get an email on your email related to video verification. And here, click on Start Verification. Some agreements will come. You have to allow them and verify your face. This will be done in 30 to 40 seconds, and this verification is completed in 1 day. Now comes the third step. Upload defaults. You will get the title description here, and here you will get to see visibility and tags. What will happen with this? If you write thank you in the description here, if you save it. Then in the description of each of your videos, thank you will already be written, and here you can also put the tags related to your video. But this is not so important, because it does not affect your video at all. So if you want, you can fill this option, or you can leave it. After this, click on Advanced Settings. And here you have to select your category. Which category do you want to make videos in? Like my videos come in the education category, so I will select the education category. And I will also select the language of my video, and you can also select the language of the title and description here. After that, there are comments below. If you want, you can keep it on, or you can keep it off. Below this, you will get to see this option, in which it is told that how many viewers like your video. If you are a short creator, then always keep it off. After this, the rest of the options below are not very useful. You simply save your channel here. Now we will customize our channel. Here you simply have to upload your banner and logo. The logo and banner we made in Leonardo AI. Upload them one by one here. Or if you have made the logo and banner yourself, then you can upload it here, but it doesn't affect much, and you have to click on Publish above. Now your channel is fully ready. Now I will clear your myths that you have heard so far. First, after creating a YouTube channel, when should you upload videos? Its simple answer is after 2 days, because YouTube is updated after 48 hours, so you can start uploading your videos after 2 days. Second, after creating your channel, should it warm up or not? This is a lie. There is no such thing as channel warm-up, if there was such a thing as channel warm-up. Then Sakleen Khan's first video didn't get more than 3 million views, because he uploaded his video after 2 days of creating the channel. So there is no such thing as warm-up. Should we put tags and hashtags in our videos or not? Look, if you are a short creator, then these 2 things don't matter to you. A short is only viral when your video's audience retention is very high. I will bring a dedicated video on this. Consider it as an example. Assume you have a 1-minute short, and the audience has seen it for 52 seconds, so YouTube will push that short many times, and the chance of such shorts being viral is very high. Tags only work in long-form videos to rank the video. They have no effect on the short. Now comes the important question that which type of short should you upload, so that your channel can grow very quickly. Look at this channel. This is a channel of a friend of mine, who has completed more than 4 lakh subscribers on this channel in 30 days. because he is making videos on a niche where there is no competition, especially in a country like India. And I'm going to bring a video on this very soon, so leave the tension of these last two questions to me. Now let's come to the channel giveaway. I have taken a short challenge on two channels that I am going to grow in 2 months. And I'm going to pick a random comment and give the giveaway of those channels, so you can also be one of them. Click on this video to find out how I grew a channel in 10 days.